If your iPhone screen is not working or you just want to turn it off without touching the screen, okay, don't worry. I'm going to help you step by step. What you're going to want to do is use the button method. This would work even if your screen is frozen or not responding. So first, press the volume up button and release it. Then press the volume down button and release it. Now after that, press and hold the power button right here. Keep holding it. You will see the slide to power off screen, but don't touch the screen. Even if your screen is working, just ignore it. Okay, now keep holding the power button. Don't let go. After a bit, the screen will go black. As soon as the screen goes black, go ahead and press and hold the volume up button together with the power button. Just continue holding till the Apple logo goes away and the display stays black. What this will do is force your iPhone to shut down completely. That means your iPhone is now turned off properly without touching the screen. Let me break that down one more time. Press volume up and release. Press volume down and release. Then press and hold the power button. When you see the power off screen, don't touch it. Keep holding. When screen turns black, press volume up and power button together. Hold it till everything goes black and no Apple logo shows. Oh great, that's it. Super easy and works on most iPhones. Anyways, make sure you follow each step properly. Take it slow, and you're good to go. If this video was helpful, please write down comment below thank you or God bless you. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. I would like to help.